Want to make your home smarter, safer, and more convenient without lifting a finger? These Amazon smart home gadgets handle everything from lighting to security to daily routines, so you can focus on what really matters. They're designed to simplify life and bring a little magic to your everyday. All products are linked in the description below, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Breathe smarter no matter the season. This purifier doubles as a heater and cooler, keeping you comfortable year-round. The fully sealed HEPA and carbon filters trap 99.97% of tiny allergens and even odors from cooking or pets. Smooth oscillation sends airflow all around the room, while powerful circulation cools or warms evenly. You can control it from anywhere with your phone or hands-free voice commands, and the remote snaps neatly onto the machine. So if you want perfect comfort all year, scan the QR on screen. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this powerhouse steamer. It heats up in just 25 seconds and blasts high-pressure steam to smooth out cotton, wool, denim, or silk. You can switch between 3 steam modes or use the dry iron function for crisp, crease-free results. Multi-angle ironing lets you go flat, hanging, or diagonal depending on the garment. With a huge water tank and self-cleaning system, you can refresh clothes quickly, safely, and effortlessly. So if you want perfectly pressed clothes every time, scan the QR on screen. Your morning coffee just got easier and more flexible. This 2-in-1 brewer lets you use pods or fresh grounds, so you get full flavor without the fuss. Intelligent temperature control keeps every cup at the perfect heat, whether it's coffee, tea, or just hot water. Its compact design fits anywhere, from your kitchen counter to a dorm or office desk. One-touch operation and auto-off make brewing fast, quiet, and safe, so you can enjoy your drink without the wait. So if you want perfect coffee every morning, scan the QR on screen. Keep curious hands out while staying key-free yourself. This smart cabinet lock unlocks 5 ways: phone app, Apple Watch, RFID, NFC, or even voice with Alexa. Hidden no-drill installation keeps your furniture intact and adds extra security with anti-pry and anti-vandal design. It handles heavy pull tension and lasts up to a year on 2 AA batteries with a handy low battery alert. DIY installation is easy with strong adhesive or screws, giving you safe, smart access wherever you need it. Laundry day just got a major upgrade. This mini dryer dries up to 9 garments in as little as 50 minutes using heat and airflow, so no more waiting for air-dried clothes. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for apartments, RVs, or travel. Built-in LED UV keeps clothes fresh and sanitized, while the quiet timer lets you dry without any noise disturbance. Efficient and energy-saving, it's a smart solution for quick, hassle-free laundry anywhere. Binge-watching or reading just got comfier. This plush pillow stand holds phones and tablets from 4.7 to 13 inches, keeping your device at the perfect angle. Its flexible 360-degree rotating arms let you adjust while lying, sitting, or even exercising, freeing your hands completely. The detachable bowl holds snacks, remotes, or power banks, making everything easy to reach. Soft, skin-friendly fabric makes it feel like a cloud, turning any spot into a cozy workstation or entertainment nook. So if you want hands-free comfort anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Your plant just got a personality. This AI Smart Pot monitors water and light while showing emoji expressions, turning your little plant into a playful desk companion. Perfect for mini plants. It fits anywhere, desks, shelves, or cozy corners without taking up space. Interactive AI guidance helps you care for your plant, making growing easy and fun. It's part planter, part robot, and all charm, blending tech and decor for a unique touch in any room. Snack time just got way more fun. These fry-shaped clips seal bags tight, keeping chips, fries, or snacks fresh and crispy. They nest inside a magnetic fry pouch that sticks to your fridge, so you always know where your treats are. Cute, quirky, and practical, they're perfect for kitchens, dorms, or even as a playful gift. Durable and BPA-free, they make everyday snack storage surprisingly entertaining. Take your entertainment anywhere with this portable 4K TV. The touchscreen brings movies, games, and apps to life with ultra-clear visuals and smooth 10-point touch. Its built-in battery lasts up to 8 hours, so you can watch or work without being tied to an outlet. Full swivel rotation and silent wheels let you move and angle it anywhere, while the voice remote and AI assistant make control effortless. Android 15, plenty of storage, and easy casting mean you can stream, share, and enjoy content however you like. So if you want entertainment on the go, scan the QR on screen. Your toothbrush just got a high-tech upgrade. This wall-mounted holder cleans with UVA plus UVC light, killing germs deep in the bristles for truly fresh hygiene. Wave your hand, and the smart infrared sensor opens it automatically, while the LED display shows cleaning progress and battery level. It runs a full cycle with air ventilation, keeping brushes dry and ready, even in humid bathrooms. Fits most toothbrushes, runs up to 30 days per charge, and is easy to remove and clean, making daily oral care simple and smart. Tired of cables slipping off your desk and disappearing behind the nightstand? These magnetic cable clips keep every cord right where you need it. A smart magnetic clamp lets you grab or place a cable with one hand, while the smooth slot holds everything from phone chargers to thicker power cords. Strong adhesive sticks to desks, walls, or dashboards without leaving marks. Simple, tidy, and quietly life-changing for your daily setup. Your bedside setup just got a serious upgrade. This smart LED table lamp combines soft lighting, a wireless charger, an alarm clock, and a Bluetooth speaker all in one sleek design. You can adjust brightness, colors, and wake-up sounds through an app to match your mood or routine. The gentle sunrise-style alarm helps you wake naturally, while surround sound fills the room with music. One device, cleaner space, smarter comfort every day. So if you want a smarter bedside, scan the QR on screen. Wrinkled clothes don't stand a chance anymore. This portable travel steamer heats up in seconds and smooths fabric with powerful adjustable steam. A clear LCD screen shows modes, temperature, and water level, so you're always in control. Use it as a classic iron or a vertical steamer, with a swivel handle that reaches tricky spots like collars and buttons. Compact, fast, and ready to keep you looking sharp anywhere you go. Reading, gaming, or scrolling in bed just got a lot more comfortable. This ergonomic reading pillow supports your arms while doubling as a soft lap desk for books, tablets, or laptops. A smart leg groove helps you relax your lower body, and side pockets keep essentials within easy reach. Memory foam cushioning shapes to you for long, cozy sessions. Lightweight and portable, it turns any spot into your favorite comfort zone. Taking out the trash just became surprisingly high-tech. This smart automatic trash conceals the bag for you and even loads a fresh one, so you never have to touch the mess. A motion sensor opens the lid with a simple wave, keeping things clean and hygienic. Helpful voice prompts guide every step, and long battery life means months of hands-free use. It's a small upgrade that makes daily chores feel effortless. So if you want hands-free trash day, scan the QR on screen. Printing on the go just became incredibly simple. This portable wireless printer connects to your phone or laptop through Bluetooth, letting you print documents, images, or notes wherever you are. Thermal technology means no ink, no mess, and no expensive cartridges. Just smooth, clean pages every time. It's lightweight, travel-ready, and comes with a protective case for easy carrying. Perfect for work, school, or quick tasks on the move. Wet countertops and soggy soap dishes are finally a thing of the past. This fast-drying stone tray absorbs water in seconds, keeping your sink area clean, dry, and neatly organized. Made from natural diatomaceous material, it pulls in moisture and lets it evaporate just as quickly. Non-slip feet keep everything steady while improving airflow underneath. Simple, stylish, and surprisingly effective for a fresher bathroom or kitchen space. Big drinks deserve better ice. This clever silicone mold creates perfectly shaped cubes that slide straight into your favorite tumbler. The flexible design and release handle let you pop out ice without touching the cold surface. A clear lid keeps spills away and protects freshness in the freezer. Simple to use and made for slow-melting cubes, it keeps every sip colder for longer. So if you want perfectly chilled drinks every time, scan the QR on screen. Smoothies on the move just became effortless. This cordless portable blender crushes frozen fruit and ice so you can enjoy fresh shakes anywhere. Blend and sip from the same leak-proof cup, then recharge easily with a simple cable. Lightweight design and a carry handle make it perfect for travel, work, or the gym. Quick to clean and ready in seconds, it keeps healthy energy within reach every day. Fridge chaos from zipper bags is a thing of the past. This clever organizer holds up to 11 bags and keeps them neatly in place, saving space and making meal prep a breeze. Adjustable rails and hooks fit most refrigerators without any tools. Just slide it in and hang your bags for easy access. Simple, tidy, and a real game changer for keeping your fridge under control. Say goodbye to stale snacks and messy leftovers. This mini bag sealer quickly reseals chips, nuts, and other food bags to keep them fresh longer. A built-in cutter lets you open bags neatly, while a magnet lets you stick it to the fridge for easy access. Compact and rechargeable, it's perfect for kitchen use or taking on camping trips. Simple, portable, and a real helper for keeping food fresh every day. So if you want snacks that stay fresh longer, scan the QR on screen. Keep your space smelling fresh with zero effort. This automatic aromatherapy diffuser sprays fragrance on a schedule, filling rooms with a pleasant scent without you lifting a finger. Smart controls let you adjust intensity, check fragrance levels, and enjoy colorful LED lighting for ambiance. The 360-degree spray covers large areas, and a built-in battery makes it portable for home, office, or even your car. Simple, smart, and refreshingly convenient. Keep your hands and phone truly clean with this smart sanitizer. Place your phone in the device, wash your hands, and in just 30 seconds it kills 99.9% of germs, completely touch-free. The phone lowers and raises automatically, so you never have to handle it while it sanitizes. Slim, sleek, and stable, it fits neatly by the sink and pairs perfectly with a sensor soap pump for a complete hygiene routine. Fast, simple, and germ-free. Bring the cozy charm of a fireplace anywhere in your home with this portable electric heater. It delivers instant warmth with adjustable heat settings, while the 3D flame and crackling sound create a relaxing, immersive ambiance. Safe and kid-friendly with tip-over and overheat protection, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. Sleek, compact, and portable, it adds comfort and style without the hassle of a real fire. Upgrade your windows with these motorized smart blinds that combine style, convenience, and energy efficiency. The blackout jacquard fabric keeps your room dark, quiet, and private while reducing heat and UV exposure. Control them effortlessly with Alexa, the remote, or the Ulax app, and enjoy months of battery-powered operation. Custom made for your windows, these cordless shades are perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any room where comfort meets smart living. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.